Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Sony. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Now click on System and tap on Gestures. After that, select one-handed mode and click on this gray switcher in order to activate it. Then make sure that pull screen into reach is on and follow all of those instructions. Double tap the home button to launch one-handed mode. When I do that, as you can see, it's on. You can go back by tapping over here or swiping up. You can also scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut instead. Then choose OK in the pop-up and use one-handed mode by tapping on this shortcut over here. You can go back the same way. If you wish to move your shortcut, hold it and drag it. If you wish to disable it though, click on Settings again, go into the same ones and tap on this blue switcher next to shortcut feature. You can do exactly the same with this one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!